Let me show you how to connect your i1 Pro drone to a phone app so you can take pictures, videos, or also control it from the phone app as well instead of the remote. We simply need to download this app called Wi-Fi UAV, so it's available on Play Store and also Apple Store as well. Here is QR code if you need them, simply you can point, okay? And then basically before you actually open the app, also make sure your Wi-Fi is actually enabled. So yep, this drone actually creates its own Wi-Fi network that we need to connect. So again, make sure your Wi-Fi is up. So then let's turn on the drone by the button over here. It will test its camera and we have placed in this pairing mode. So once it blinks, we can connect it basically for the controls. So let's open up the app. And we have to click over here. And again, this drone creates that Wi-Fi network. It will most likely be called like this. So maybe starting with a flow. So let's click that. So simply check basically what new Wi-Fi network that you have, and it should say connected, no internet access. So this is what you should see. Then let's go back and click start. Then you see my camera actually, is actually working and showing everything. By the way, these drones also, you see you have a secondary camera over here. So this tiny one. So if you want to switch to that, you can simply press this button over here. Then you see basically this button camera actually works. If you want to record the video, as you see, you have this option over here. You see video starts to recording. Yep. And also we can end it. Also we can take a picture here as well. And if you want to see them after that, simply click this. So we have our pictures and also our videos that we can watch over here. And if you want to basically enable the controls, so we can control from the phone. Again, make sure it's actually in this pairing mode and blinks like this. So let's click this airplane mode. As you see, it connected basically to our phone for the controls, and then you see you have this takeoff button over here. Also you can normally as you see turn it on and also start flying. So again, use this for the also shut it down. So again, this over here on the right side is for the forward, backwards, right, left basically. So again, basically that. And then if you press like this on the drone, so left and right, this controls basically the turning basically, so either on the left or right. So again, basically on the up or down, so the height, how high or how low you want to go. You see also we have the takeoff and also landing feature here as well, this tiny button. But obviously we can also, for example, control our drone using the remote, but only maybe use a phone app for video recording. And to do that, obviously make sure to turn off your drone. You actually have to disconnect it from the phone app. And basically once you actually turn on your drone, simply literally, basically turn on your controller. So up, down to pair actually for the controls with the drone, and then in the app again repeat the same process. So again, click on the network, wait for till it says that, and then you see, so now we actually have controls basically on the remote control, but it's actually recording on the phone as well. So we can also place this in this tiny holder over here to monitor as well. So absolutely cool. By the way, also if you are actually looking to get this drone, I will also include special discount link that you can use on AliExpress to get this drone only for a bit over $10 for its price. I think it's absolutely insane drone. Also you see it also is with free shipping as well. So again, literally for a bit over $10 to get this kind of performance, I think it's absolutely crazy. So crazy good performance. Also durability also is absolutely superb on this drone. Also stability in the air also is really the best I have seen on any drone. So overall for the price you're paying this drone, I think it's absolutely amazing. Anyway, good luck.